What's up, everyone? So today I'm just going to be giving you guys a Pamper night routine. This is me in my dorm room being really stupid. But yeah, let's get started. So first I'm showing you all the products I use on my hair in the shower. This is the Tresemme shampoo, Tresemme conditioner. They're the best. Bath and Body Works vanilla body wash, some sugar scrub. Okay, now I'm brushing my teeth. Ooh, getting in the shower. Yep, that's my tattoo. Okay, out of the shower, shimmying, dancing. Yep. Alright, I'm washing my face now with this Vanity Planet face brush thing. Some face wash. It's like vitamin C infused, so it's supposed to help with your skin, but as you can see, my face looks like crap. Alright, you just squeeze some on the little brush and then wet your face. And then do little circle motions like that, and you're supposed to smile because it's so fun. Okay, after I wash my face, taking my hair out of my towel. I usually don't put my hair in my towel for too long because it makes it... It's just not what I do. Okay, now I'm putting this Aussie... It's like deep conditioner, but I just spray a little on my hand. Oh, I put a lot on my hand that time. Then I just like scrunch it in my ends to keep them moisturized because I have dyed hair and my hair is really curly, and when I scrunch it up it makes it even more curly. There I am. Okay, now I'm putting on this almond and vanilla natural body oil all over my body. My face, I can't. So yeah, I'm just rubbing that in. Got that from Bath and Body Works. It smells really good. Scrub a dub dub. Alright, next I'm gonna put some chapstick on because it's winter here in Michigan and my lips get really chapped. Alright, face mask time. These are all from Kohl's, so I'm choosing which one to do. The tea tree oil one is good for acne, but I did that a couple days ago. So I think I'm going to go with vitamin E. It's supposed to like help moisturize because my face is really dry. Alright, moving on. Oh, snap-a-dap. Okay. Yep, 15 minutes. Good job, Jessie. See ya later. Alright, after the 15 minutes are over, you just peel it off. Skin looks so moisturized. Rub it in. These face masks are like really juicy, so that's good to rub it in. Alright, now I'm putting on some face cream. It's the Hydra C from Marcel. It's really moisturizing. Really good. Use it every day. That's what I do. Alright, now I'm using this Clear Sil Vanishing Acne Treatment. And I just rub a little bit of this all over my face to try to reduce breakouts. Yeah, it looks white on your skin, but it's okay. Okay, next I'm using these two essential oils. I think it's called bergamot and lavender. And you just rub them to like have the little roly ball on top. And you just rub it on your temples, behind your ears, and on your neck. And I'm using the lavender one tonight. Gotta find my temples. I'm sorry. Make sure it's working. I used to put this down my neck, and I do right now, but after doing this for a while, it made burns on my neck, so I don't really put it on my neck anymore. But it really does help me fall asleep fast. And then I do put it on my wrist just so I can smell it. And there you have it. That's my Pamper night routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry about this awful voiceover. Have a nice day. Night night.